Let's deploy a static website with Netlify, completely free with a custom domain with a free SSL. Let's go.
Guys, let me show you my local site, the one that I'm going to migrate to Netlify. Netlify, it's again, as we mentioned, it is a free hosting. However, it is slightly limited, but it will do the job. I have a local site. It's custom HTML, not a WordPress site. Let me open the index and show you how it looks like locally, which we expect it will have the same behavior when we migrated to Netlify. Okay, again, it's a very simple site, not much work there, but it's just for a demo. Go to About and go back, contact page, as well as notify me. All right, let's do this one. Now we will have to do two steps. The first thing, to register a new account on Netlify, where we'll host our files there, and then to create a free domain name from Freenom, and then migrate the local data to the domain name or to be published publicly. Okay, let's start first with Netlify. Here you can just sign up with any of your own choice. For me, I will sign with my email. All right, they sent me now an email to confirm. Let me verify my email. And that's it. Our account is already created. Okay, now we have a 100 GBs bandwidth, which is not bad. All right. A good part about Netlify, you can migrate from Git. If you have a Git repository, you can directly get your data from Git and keep on updating that. However, they have the option to drag and drop. Now, let's drop the files that we viewed locally to the website. We'll go up and drag the folder here. Let's wait for a few minutes, a few seconds. Usually doesn't take time. It's actually deployed. If you can see, your site is already deployed, and this is the link of the website. If we click here, it will take us to the website, which is exactly the same one that we viewed together a while ago locally. All right. It's the same information, the same site. If we go to the About, the same details, everything as exactly what was locally. As you can see, this is auto-generated URL from Netlify. However, there are options here. If we go to the site setting, you can change the site name. Let's give it a short name, for example, demo weekend site. Save. Okay. Here is the new URL. When you click on it, again, it will take you to the website. And instead of long name, we used a new slightly short name. The other nice options on can instead of creating this name, we can completely take our own domain name, which we're going to do the next step. Now we'll go to the Freenom and pick up a domain name. right? If you remember this freenom, we spoke about it in the previous session. I will sign in and I will create a new domain, and then I will attach it to the website from Netlify. Let's go register a new domain. We can site. Let's see if it's available or not. Check availability. Okay, we can site.tk is free. Let me take it. Again, you can take up to 12 months for free. Continue. All right, our order is ready. Let's go back to my domains. And this is the website. We can site.tk. Let me take it and go back to Netlify. Here, if you go to the main page, this is the domain name we just auto-generated from Netlify. Now we want to attach a custom domain. Click on a custom domain, and then I will put the domain name that I just created from freenom, verify, and add domain. Once we have added our domain, we need to do some further steps in order for the domain name to be completely configured correctly with Netlify. We will need to point the DNS entries to Netlify DNS. We will go to options and then go to DNS panel. If you scroll all the way down, here the name servers of Netlify. What we're going to do next, we will have to change these or take these, put them into freenom. So I will go to the freenom again and go to manage my site. And then I will go to name server, use a custom name server, and deploy these here. And 4. Let me verify once again. NS1 and 4. And we're good to go. We'll change the name server. Usually this operation takes a couple of minutes for the DNS propagation around the world, so it may not be effective in the same minute. However, we will go back to Netlify and we'll continue. Once we are done, we will go back to our site. And as you can see, it's already recognized Netlify DNS. If we are going to open now the website, as you can see, it's open to the main site that we deployed earlier. And the funny part is it has SSL certificate from That's Encrypt. So it's a complete site with the domain name, custom name, and has SSL for free and completely free. As you can see, go back to about, review everything. It is the same exactly as we had locally. If you remember, this is the very first name we had, and this tab has the second name when we changed it, and this one is the last custom domain name. All right.
If you like the video, please subscribe and let me know if you have any comments or if you would like me to speak about any topic. All right, see you.